Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable Ruffle Halloween Deco Mesh Ghost Wreath. What you will need, I have this adorable sign. It's a cute little ghost. I have my wreath ring. I have black, white, and orange Deco Mesh. Black, white, and orange ribbon, which I'm not sure if I'm going to use it, but I like to have it on hand just in case. The mini Bowdabra bow maker. Chanel stems. Scissors, and a hot glue gun. And all of these items were purchased at Dollar Tree. Alright, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Chanel stem, which I have cut in half, and I'm going to place it in the center of my mini Bowdabra. And I have cut my Deco Mesh into 8-inch long pieces. I'm going to layer them overlapping each other slightly. And you can use 3 or 4 or even 6 pieces of mesh if you choose to do so. I'm going to go with 4 pieces, but I want to show you how 3 pieces look. Once you have all of your mesh together, you can adjust and maneuver to make sure it's exactly the way you want it. Take your Chanel stem and twist it and pull it nice and tight. Then remove it from the Bowdabra. And twist your Chanel stem to the back of your bundle a couple of times, just like that. Alright, I'm going to make another one, and again I'm just alternating the order of my colors because I like to mix up the colors just to make sure it's nice and fun and colorful. Place my bundle. Again, I can maneuver and adjust the mesh. Use my Chanel stem to twist it and gently remove it from the Bowdabra and twist it to the back a couple of times. And I'm going to continue making bundles, alternating the colors. I've decided to go with 3 bundles in each of my 6 sections for a total of 18. So I have all of these made, and as you can see, the colors are alternating. So now I'm going to place them on my ring. So you can alternate inner, outer, which I do that a lot of times. But I think this time I'm going to go with just the outer ring, just to make the wreath a little wider. So I'm going to take my Chanel stem and twist my bundle to the outer inner stem. Take my next bundle and twist it right beside it. And do the same thing with my last bundle. Again, I'm using 3 bundles in each of my 6 sections. You can definitely add more if you want a thicker wreath, if you want a larger wreath. You can use the 10-inch long Deco Mesh. It's whatever you prefer. Once you have your bundles in place, just adjust and maneuver, make sure they're nice and fluffy, and again, you can add more pieces of mesh to each bundle if you choose to do so. I've used 6 and 7 pieces in each bundle. It's completely up to you. Whatever you prefer, just go with it and make it your own. Alright, I'm going to get the rest of the bundles placed and show you what it's looking like. So it's looking so cute and precious. I'm just fluffing and roughing everything up. Again, you can make it larger, smaller, whatever you'd like. I think this is a pretty decent size. Now I'm going to take my sign, cut away the top hanger, turn my sign over, take 2 of my Chanel stems, twist them to form one long Chanel stem, place it at the top of my sign, and repeat the same steps for the bottom of my sign. Then I'm going to use my hot glue gun and glue the stems in place, making sure I have enough of the stem hanging off the side of my sign. And now I'm going to gently push aside all of my mesh to snugly fit my sign in the center. Alright, and then I'm going to push the mesh aside to find the actual wreath ring and twist my Chanel stem around the wreath ring a couple of times, just to make sure it's nice and secure. And I'm going to repeat the same step with all 4 Chanel stems. Alright, and now I'm just again making sure I don't have any gaps or spaces, roughing up my mesh to make sure it looks so cute and precious. And you are all done. Such a cute, simple, easy wreath. All items were purchased at Dollar Tree, so you can make this entire wreath for less than $10. Modify the colors, the styles, whatever you'd like. You can even add an adorable hair bow to your ghost. Just have fun with it and make it your own. So cute.